Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screen once again, and in today's video, actually before we even get into today's video, I first want to thank my new subscribers and those that have come from Her Hair Glory's channel to also support mine. And I want to say thank you to my subscribers that have went to go support Her Hair Glory. This is the first time I'm actually getting to record fresh content, and hence I'm only addressing this now, which is like a month later, but it's okay. And I want to say thank you guys so much for also supporting the featured brand, which was Sister Flow Naturals, and she provided us with amazing natural hair care accessories, aftercare accessories basically, such as bonnets, silk pillowcases that I've been using on my videos and you guys have been asking about, and I'm sure some of you guys have probably already received yours. If you have, let me know how you are liking your microfiber towel, especially those that have actually requested a microfiber towel. The bonnets, yeah, sure, but microfiber towel, oh, love it, my favorite product. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll just like link the video right here somewhere so you can go check it out for yourself. Right, so obviously I want to first thank, actually I feel like I'm saying so many things at once. Okay, cool. Then the second thing I want to say is welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for helping me grow this channel each and every day. I see you guys, I'm thankful for you guys, I'm grateful for you guys, and again today I'm bringing you another product review. Now, KoilsKare is a company that basically sells hooded dryers, and they also sell conditioning hair caps. All right, they decided to send me this cute bonnet, and not bonnet, Sister Flow Naturals, please leave my mind. They have sent me this hooded dryer. KoilsKare sent me a hooded dryer, and I am going to be reviewing this hooded dryer. Now, I know the benefits of a hooded dryer, even though I've never invested in one. I really think I'm going to enjoy this product only because it's going to cut down my wash days, to the point where I didn't even start my wash day the previous night like I normally do, because I'm going to be trying this hooded dryer for the first time with you guys today, right? And I think I want to send one of you guys this, if not two of you guys, so let me know if you want it, and then I'll definitely send you guys one of these. Now, the hooded dryers retail for 150 rand, and the conditioning caps retail for 300 rand. And this is like an Instagram page, but I'll show you guys everything like on the side. And again, this is a black owned business, so in case one of you guys are wondering if your money is going to be spent like elsewhere, no, just know that you are supporting another black female to put food on the table, you know what I mean? So let me know if you guys want this hooded dryer. So you're going to obviously need a hair dryer for this, right? So this is how it comes, right? So this is the packaging and all that kind of stuff. It has that white lady and it has like a few, they already tell you a few benefits, such as it's easy to use, it's lightweight, convenient for traveling, it fits all hair sizes, and it fits all hair dryers, which is a good thing, so you don't have to worry if you have a thick hair dryer or not. And it's great for styling and setting with rods and roller sets. I think a benefit that I would add for myself is that it's definitely going to decrease the amount of time that I spend on my wash days. You know, it's going to decrease that. I normally spend about 6 hours, 7 hours. I think this can even be decreased to maybe, I normally pre-poo overnight. I think I'll just sit under a hooded dryer for 15-20 minutes and I should be good to go, because heat helps to break through whatever it is and just like get right into the hair shaft. So especially if you have low porosity hair, I do definitely suggest that you do invest in one of these, or those ones that you can put on the floor and then just sit under it. I don't even know what those ones are called, but this is very portable. You can go around it. If you're going to London, you're going to Asia or Vietnam, you can always just, you know, I don't even know why I named those countries, but it doesn't matter. You can always just put this in your bag and you're good to go, you know what I mean? And most hotels, I don't know, yeah, most hotels I've been in, they normally have hair dryers there, you know, in the bathroom. So I don't know, this is something that you just might need. And you guys saw when I was undoing my bunchy knot outs, they were not dry, and I did use a hair dryer, but then they were still not dry. So I think with the help of a hooded dryer, I should be able to achieve my styles without having to wait for 8 hours for them to dry, even sometimes 2 days for them to dry. So I'm super excited. Today is my wash day, obviously, but I'm not going to be sharing everything with you guys. I'm specifically just going to be deep conditioning while I use this on camera with you guys. So I'm gonna start my wash day and then come back and then review this product with you guys. I think I'm absolutely gonna love it. I really think heat and low porosity are like same WhatsApp group. They're best friends. You need heat whenever, hence why I normally you know, use 2 plastic bags. And you know, I've upgraded. Goodbye. Gone are those days where I have to use a plastic bag, because now gone are those days where I have to use a t-shirt, because now I use microfiber towels. If you don't know what I'm talking about, again, I'll link it up here and you guys can go watch that. So I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. So I'm back and I have deep conditioner on my hair right now. So let us try that hooded dryer. You're gonna take your blow dryer. Then it doesn't come with any instructions, so I'm just like figuring it out as I go. But I think it's simple to use. So you're gonna take your hair dryer, and then it has this has like, it's elastic like, and then it has this in case maybe your dryer is too small. You can always use this to secure it even further, so it's like a patch thing situation. So you take your dryer and then you just like stick it in there. Okay, give me a second. There we go. Okay, then you're gonna take the little thing and you're gonna secure it. Mine is very tight. I don't even need this, like, it's, yeah. So anyway, we're just gonna do it just in case. All right, so this is what you have and this is how it looks inside. So because I don't want to wash this, and I mean, imagine if you're going to be, for example, doing a hot oil treatment and then using a homemade deep conditioner that has fenugreek, and then using, I don't know, a deep conditioner that smells like what this one smells like right now, and then they're all gonna get like, it's gonna ruin your hooded dryer.
Man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips. You're ruining it. Ruining.
This is what I'm gonna do first, so that we don't make it dirty. Okay. So you wear it. It has these 2 things here. Okay. This goes under your chin. Okay, no, I feel like it's too far now. Yes, perfect fit. Oh! There we go. I thought I got my skin. I can't really hear myself. And then you're gonna take this part and just make sure that it's like, ugh. There we go. Then my dryer is already plugged in. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. I feel like I can't breathe. Okay, I'm gonna undo this part. You guys can hear the noise. So this is the noise you're gonna hear too, okay? I'm just gonna undo it a bit here because it's a bit too tight. Yes, that feels so much better. So this is how it looks. I feel bougie. Ugh. But I feel like I want hot air. It is hot. Is it? Let me feel. Woo! Now this is hot air. Oh, ow! Ow! Okay, don't make hot air. It will burn you. I like it. If you like meditating, this is your chance. And then you just sit in this for like 30 minutes. I'm not sure if I'm yelling or what, but I can't hear myself because of my ears. It's just like wind blowing. Okay, now it's been an hour and a few minutes, so let's just take this off and see what's good. Ooh, it feels airy and like fluffy up in here. Oh, look at that line. So that's the line that you also get. This conditioner smells good. What? Why is my hair so soft? Why is it so soft? Okay. What? What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, this feels so good. Oh my god. I'm not sure if it's the conditioner, or is it the heat that activated the conditioner? What? What do you mean? This is so soft. Okay, before, let me not go on about the conditioner, because this is not a conditioner review. Okay, guys, these are my final thoughts. Okay, I'm gonna be using this religiously. You guys are gonna see me using it on my videos because I actually love this. You need to get yourself this, and it's so easy to use, guys, and it's not even that loud. Like, it's not like, you know, when you switch on a blow dryer, it's like really loud. You don't get that sound. It's very like, it's the sound, like you still get some noise, but it's not like annoying. So I love this. I would recommend this. Do I think that it's a great investment? Of course I think so. I absolutely love this. I don't have any, I don't even know what to say. This was a really good product. I'm happy. I'm so happy right now. And then you're good to go, just like that. And then you just continue. I just like the fact that not only did they include like an elastic band inside so that it doesn't be loose, but they also have this as a second, kind of like to secure it even further. So I love this. I thank you, KoilsKare, for sending me this. It'd be great if you could send me your look, listen to me. It'd be great if you could send me your conditioner caps for 300 rand so I can test, because I really love this one. Okay, yeah. Get you a hooded dryer. I'm gonna be using it. I'm going to be trying out a Bantu knot sometime in the month of October, and I think with the use and the help of this baby, we should be able to conquer. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one, and please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to PayPal me if you would like, you know, and I could do like, you know, giveaways. Literally, that's why I actually put my PayPal there, because some of you guys actually wanted me to put it there, so I put it there. Okay, so PayPal me. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.